Welcome back everyone, Mariah Monetize here, and in today's video we're going over the price of Bitcoin. If you saw my previous video, I told you that in the month of October, Bitcoin was going to outperform Ethereum, and I don't know, this is like the 5th time in a row. That's exactly what's happening. It's actually been awesome how accurate my calls have been, so I hope that many of you have made a lot of money off of my calls. Never financial advice. But I hope that you look at the charts and you see them from my perspective and use that as one piece of information to make decisions on buying and selling. For most people, hodling long-term is the option, but for other people that don't want long-term positions, my calls have been quite accurate. Today I was getting a massage. Wonderful 71-year-old lady that says she loves her job. Finally, I've been in California for I don't know, a week and a half now, and I cannot believe how many people are telling me how much they hate their jobs. Like, the dread in people's eyes and face when it is Sunday night and they have to go to work in the morning. I literally have this channel because I want people to be able to quit their jobs. I want you to have financial freedom so you do not have to go to a job that you hate. So, hopefully, together, we can accomplish that. I haven't had a real job for years, and it is literally the best way to live your life, and I want that for everybody. So, that is my motivation behind making these videos. I'm going to be showing you some really interesting information today on the price of Bitcoin, and we're going to be going over it outperforming Ethereum in the current market conditions. If you've been watching my videos, I told you the buying opportunity of a lifetime was going to come on September 20th. September 20th was a great buying opportunity. It ended up being September 21st, and that is continuing to play out. Okay. So what I want to show you here is Bitcoin chart currently compared to the Bitcoin chart of 2017. Okay, let's go ahead and go there to the 2017 market. This is currently the daily chart, both on the top and the bottom. You're going to be literally stunned by what I'm going to show you today. I'm really excited to share this with you. Okay, I told you September 20th is going to be the buying opportunity. End up coming September 21st, okay? So, if we match this up to, I told you September 15th was obviously the buying opportunity of a lifetime. I said this on Ethereum when I made my previous videos, but I meant it towards Bitcoin as well because they basically bottomed on the same day. But the correlation is, in my opinion, is not going to continue over the next month or so, okay? So, buying opportunity here, September 15th. Up here, September 21st, and I gave you the reason why I thought those days were off. Okay, date range. Buying opportunity came in here September 21st. It is now 14 days after that, okay? Look at this. Date range, September 15th, massive buying opportunity. 14 days after that puts us at this 5 candle. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on this candle, all right? That puts us here. Okay, look at this candle. Look at this 5 candle and look at this 6 candle. Look at this 5 candle and look at this 6 candle. Those candles nearly look identical in shape, okay? So, what does that mean? That means day over day, we are seeing unbelievable similar price action, okay? It's still lining up, correlating basically 5 or 6 days off. Same month of 2017 till today, we are seeing same price action. So what does that mean? That means if this continues, which the correlation of days, the similarities is ridiculous, okay? That means we're probably going to see a few more days of upside, a little bit of a pullback. All right, I am buying on every pullback when it comes to Bitcoin. I should probably just throw all my money in right now, to be honest with you. But I'm going to look for a pullback right over here, which is going to come in approximately 6 days, okay? Expect to pull back in the next like 5 to 7 days. That's when I'm going to add a little bit to my position, or probably a lot, because after that, it's literally game over, and you better be all in. Or at least that's what I'm trying to do. This is Bitcoin right here, 2017, the bottom chart, okay? After that buying opportunity, it was go time. Straight to December, Bitcoin just ran literally out of control. But there's going to be this nice little buying opportunity. There's always those 30% pullbacks, right? Excuse me, that's not the pullback that I was talking about. Right over here. This pullback. All right, this is going to shake some people out, and this is going to happen probably in November. That's a 30% pullback. Okay, so that happened November 12th, November 13th, in that range. So keep an eye. So that means it's probably going to come in probably November 17th, 18th. I would be looking for that 30% pullback. But you probably already want to be all in at that point, right? We're going to see these little pullbacks along the way, but we are over here. So probably time to pile in now. Okay, so like I said, I believe that Bitcoin is going to run up like crazy, and that Ethereum is going to trade sideways probably this month, and then it's going to start taking off. Okay, what I want to do is I want to show you some price action from 2017 so that we kind of have an idea of what to expect when it comes to this cycle, okay? So this right here is the Bitcoin chart. This is it reaching $20,000. We are currently over here in this range. Okay, so let me show you from a percentage perspective the possibilities that we currently have. Price range. This right here is about where we're at over in this range. Bitcoin went up 377% between the beginning of October of 2017 and December 16th. Okay, so literally 2 months. 377% return. What I should have done, I actually kind of made a mistake. So when I realized what I saw in the charts, and when I realized that Bitcoin was probably going to outperform Ethereum, when I sold my Ethereum, I should have been buying Bitcoin instead of buying back into Ethereum. And then there would have been a point in time that would have been a little bit tougher because I should have gone back into Bitcoin, not Ethereum. But then there was going to be a point in time when it was best to go back from Bitcoin to Ethereum. So that's kind of what I'm seeing there. I think we have 2 more months of really intense upside. Bitcoin is going to literally go out of control. It is prime right now for some really, really fun price action. I am really looking forward to it. This is a daily chart, made a clear higher high. It's like go time. It is seriously go time. I'm really excited. I hope you're excited because we're all going to make a ridiculous amount of money. And I'm really excited about it. I mean, I've been waiting a long 4 years for this. Been patient as hell on the sidelines. Okay, so this is the Ethereum chart. But look, we have not made a higher high on the daily chart. So there's still going to be some weakness there. Okay, remember how I just said that I would have been probably better off going into Bitcoin instead of Ethereum? So I started buying Ethereum, like if I would have picked the same day. So let's see here. Sorry, I messed up my Ethereum chart just a bit here. Let me readjust it. Okay, so I started, this is 2021. Okay, perfect. So I started buying back in at about $3,000. Okay, so over here in this range. So I started buying over here in this range. If I would have bought Bitcoin instead of Ethereum, okay, so let's say, for example, I was buying at $3,000. So let's see the percentage return on investment that I have. Okay, about $3,000 average, my price back in. So that position is up, let's see, 17, almost 18%. If I would have been buying Bitcoin in that range, it is up about almost 25%. I mean, but like, how can I get mad, right? Like a 17% return since about September 20th. Hasn't even been a month. A 17% return in less than a month. And then I could have got almost a 25% return. Like, you can't get mad about those kind of things. It's already a stupid amount of money. Just, like, be grateful. And, like, I don't ever dwell on things like that because why the heck would you dwell on getting a 17% return in less than a month? Like, what, 2 or 3 weeks? That's amazing. I'm grateful. I am so freaking grateful. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to change this back just to one chart. And I want to really quickly go over both Ethereum and Bitcoin and go on lower level time frames and see what's happening. Ethereum chart has not made a higher high. It still has time to make a higher high. but it is not nearly as strong as Bitcoin currently is. 12-hour chart is actually looking good on Ethereum. Let's see, 4-hour chart here looking good. So Ethereum chart is looking quite good. I'm probably outside of this video going to go into more details back in 2017 to look at the price action around the similar dates. Let's go and take a look at Bitcoin here. Let's zoom out to the 7-day on Bitcoin. 7-day on Bitcoin. Let's see here. Alrighty. So this crossover here was good. I talk about this a lot, I've talked about in previous videos, right? When this green crosses above this red, on the weekly chart specifically, it's time to be in. Like, it is like last call. Like, you have seconds left to jump on the Bitcoin train before it goes absolutely freaking berserk, alright? Please, I want you to be able to quit your job, but actually no, because the workforce shortage is insane. The amount of help wanted signs that I see out and about is insane. Like a month ago, I was at Taco Bell in Puerto Rico. My friend ordered a crunchy taco, and the guy looked around, looked at the menu, and looked at us like, we have crunchy tacos? And I just thought to myself, David, thanks for coming to work today. Even though you work at Taco Bell and you're really confused that we ordered a crunchy taco, I am still really happy that you're here. Super pumped. And I'm not being sarcastic. Like, thank you for the people that go to work. I hope you like your job. Because one thing I've learned the last week, I have never been surrounded by so many people that have jobs, they don't like their jobs, and do not look forward to going to their job. I'm not going to lie, like, the people that my friends in Puerto Rico, like, no one has really jobs, or they have businesses, like they're entrepreneurs, or they just have more freedom, and I don't know, it's so different. It's been quite a culture shock to see how much people don't like their jobs. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin looking strong. We're going to see resistance up here, 57,000. Be prepared. Resistance at 57,000. Probably a little bit of a pullback after that. So be aware, 57,000, maybe a little bit of a pullback after that. 1-hour chart looking good. Crypto market looking strong as ever. Strong as ever. Let's go ahead and look at SPY, which is up a little bit today. It recovered a little bit of yesterday's loss. I think everything was probably down because of the whole Facebook situation. Actually, I have a friend that works at Facebook. It sounds like he was not able to get into the building. Electric vehicles. Let's go and look at Tesla. Tesla trading sideways, but not looking bad, actually. I anticipated Tesla to hit under 500. Did it ever do that? Almost. I don't know. I still feel like Tesla could just really go into a bear market for a long period of time, but I have no idea. I just have this feeling. It went up too quickly, and you know what? I'm going to show you something right now. Okay, this right here is a 7-day chart on Tesla. This is the problem. Do you see this from here to here? Absolutely zero resistance. To me, that's scary. That's really, really, really scary. No support was built from 56 to 900. No support on Tesla. That's why I'm really afraid to touch Tesla. I love what they're doing there. I'm on the wait list for the truck. I think Tesla vehicles are great. But there is no support built up on the way. Really curious to see. The weekly chart has made a higher high. The green crossing over the red on the weekly chart is a super bullish sign. But I don't know. I'm still just kind of skeptical. There's no support built. That scares me. I'm honestly surprised that it hasn't even fallen yet. So I'm headed back to Puerto Rico tomorrow. Looking forward to being back in my office. Better audio, better videos. I could upload videos in minutes versus 2 days here. So thank you so much for being here. Thanks for being patient during the lower quality videos, but I hope you got what you needed. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.